Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add music to Instagram posts. First of all, open the Instagram app. Click on the plus sign in the bottom bar. Choose a picture that you want to add music to. Now click on the next in the top right. Click on the music icon in the top middle. Choose a song that you want to add to your picture. You can also choose the part of the song you want to add. Now click on Done. After that, you can click on Share and your post will be posted with a song. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.